Hey everyone, this is Tony. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to buy some cash gold and then how to use that to purchase different products in the Karatbars back office, in the Karat Gold back office. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to buy the K1 Impulse phone. So what you're going to do, first, what I would do if I'm walking somebody through this is I'm going to go and see how much cash gold I'm going to need. So let's say you wanted to do the package number 4. That's 4,000 euros. Let's see what that means in terms of cash gold. You could just go to checkout, choose a color, hit checkout, and then when that loads up, you're going to go through just like you would normally do the purchase and check all the boxes and then hit next, and then you agree to all the agreements and everything. Now here, this is where the difference is. Instead of using your credit or debit card here, you're just going to choose Karatpay payment. Here it's going to tell you exactly what you need in univols. So that includes the fee, the shipping, everything. So you need 919.21 univols. Now what we know is 1 gram of gold equals 10 univols. So we could quickly do the math on that and say, okay, we're going to need 92 grams of gold would be the minimum, right? That would get us 920 univols. So let's go and do that. So you go to your Karatbars back office, go to product purchase, drop down to cash gold, and you're just going to choose Karatpay cash gold. And then now make sure that you're using the 1 gram here instead of the 1/10 of a gram. So a lot of people make this mistake. So you need 92 of them. You're just going to type in 92, add it to the cart, and then here you can see your cart's ready to go. Now you view your cart and do the purchase as you normally would. Just go through, check out, and then go through all the check boxes, the agreements and everything. Go to next, and then storage automatically selected. And then here, if you're going to do a wire transfer, you can choose that. If you're going to use a credit or debit card, you choose that. Or you can do it straight from your MasterCard. So if you're doing the credit card, you just check that little box afterwards and then hit pay now, and it's going to take you to the screen where you enter all your card information. Once that purchase goes through, then your next step is you're just going to go to Karatpay, and then you're going to go to load e-wallet, and then your 92 grams, you're going to see them here in your back office, and you're just going to load your e-wallet, and you're going to choose your max amount, your 92 grams, and you click load. Then you can come back over here, and you're going to hit pay now on the Karatpay. And what that's going to do is it's going to load up a screen where you log into your Karatpay to complete the payment. So that's literally all you have to do. You just punch in your info, type in your password, and then just process payment. And you'll see here exactly, I need 919.2 univols. Well, if I got 92 grams of cash gold, that's 920. I'll have enough to complete this purchase, and I'm done. You just hit process payment, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it.